What's happening? Welcome everybody once again. This is part 2 of box number 1, 2019 Panini score, pack opening, box opening. Alright, let's get right into it. So we left off with some packs. Alright, we'll open up these packs again. Oh, there we go. See what we get. Want some heat. Alright. Upside down again. It keeps happening for some reason. Alright, that. Upside down again. That. Upside down again. Oh, Terry Quinn. That. 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 Oh, I don't want to see that, man. That. Who's that? Idle Smith. That was it. Oh, as we get a Aaron Donald. That's pretty nice. Aaron Donald, former defensive NFL MVP. So yeah. Alright. So we get that. Then we get a celebration. Oh, Joe Mixon. Fancy stud, kind of. Joe Mixon. So yeah. Maybe someone likes him. Alright, then we get this. Who's that? Henderson? Don't know who the hell that. And this. Alright. And with that pack. No, next pack. Oh. Many packs. No, we don't got that many packs. We're down to our last few. So, let's get some heaters. Alright. So, we get that. 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 And we get a rookie. Irv Smith Jr. Gold parallel. That's alright, I guess. Irv Smith Jr. So yeah. I seen his name. Oh, and we get a repeat of Aaron Donald. It's a hollow, so it's our second one of the box. So yeah. Then we get a Kirk Cousins captain card. That's alright, I guess. Then for our rookies, we get this. A Rashawn Gary rookie card base. And this. Alright, next pack. Off to the next pack. Oh, many packs. Gotta get these packs, huh? Everybody likes packs. You like packs, I like packs, we all like packs. Alright, we get that. That. Come on, some heat. Let's get some heat in here. Let's get hot. That. And what do we get? Oh, is this a Patrick Mahomes the second, former MVP, Super Bowl MVP, signal caller, hollow. We'll always take this. Now this is some heat. This is heating. So we'll gladly take that any day. Patrick Mahomes is second. That's what we like to see, everybody. Want to see Patrick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes is welcome in this house. Then we get a Drew Brees, Hall of Famer. Drew Brees. About to be Hall of Famer, Drew Brees. So that's good. Then we get this guy. Don't know who that is. We get this. No Fant. We get this. Riley Ridley. I know who no Fant is. The tight end. But Riley Ridley, don't know much about him. Alright, next pack. Oh, so many. Gotta keep on ripping packs. We got a shipment in, so we should be getting some more videos out to y'all. Alright. Here it is. There. Oh, Theo. There's upside down. You like to put these upside down for some reason? I wouldn't put it upside down. It's Batman. They must get confused with something. Oh, as we get a Justin Tucker gold parallel. Super Bowl champion. Wow, that could be 1 year Super Bowl champions. Look at that. Nice to see you, Mr. Justin Tucker. We'll gladly take you. All right. Don't know how much kickers are going for, but hopefully it's something. And as we get a Michael Thomas hollow. Wow. Michael Thomas is one of the greater wide receivers in the NFL. Got his big hands, I guess, and really likes to catch a football. So yeah, he's very statistical. So I'm happy to see him. I'm part of my squad. So we'll take him. Michael Thomas. Then we get this Ryan Finley. Then we get Dexter Williams. Then we get a Jalen Smith. Trying to figure out where he's and Preston Williams. Alright. Another pack. Gotta get these packs. Gotta catch them all. Oh, we also do Pokemon pack openings as well. So expect that. There's videos of Pokemon pack openings. You can look forward to that if you're craving Pokemon pack openings. So yeah, you view those if you like Pokemon cards as well too. So we have that because I know y'all like football. Who is this? Marquise Goodwin. Then we get a Saquon Barkley epic card hollow. Pretty nice. That's alright. Yeah, that's good. That's decent, I guess. It is decent. Saquon Barkley, one of the better running backs in the NFL league. He really he's a muscle man, muscle dude, I guess. So yeah. So yay for that. Then we get a Huddle Up Detroit Lions. Ooh. Not having the best seasons, but they're a football team. So yeah. Detroit Lions. Then for our rookies, that who's that? Trayvon? Don't know who that is. And Dexter Lawrence. This Lawrence should be worth something. Alright. On to the final pack. This will be our final pack right here. See what we get. Let's end it with something that has power. Want a power card. All the power to the card. To the last pack. Let's see. We want something big for y'all. There we go. Yeah, so we're gonna also do skateboarding pretty soon on this channel. Expect that. We're skaters around here, so we like to do that. Want to get you content as soon as possible. And we get an Alex Smith gold parallel. I'll gladly take that. Former 49er. Alex Smith, former NFC champion. Former starter. So yeah, Alex Smith. Then we get a Brandon Cooks Rams throwback. So yeah, Brandon Cooks. See all hollow, all real shiny and glittery. Pretty good. Brandon Cooks, what was it? AFC champion, NFC champion. And as we get a Travis Kelce captain card. Ooh. A Super Bowl champion against the 49ers. So yeah, Travis Kelce will be our as Travis Kelce. Then we get for our rookies. And Dwayne Haskins. Alright. That's it, everybody. That was the end of that box. Those packs. Yeah, we're gonna be making more videos. Be coming out to y'all soon. Stay tuned for that. Skateboarding videos, Pokemon videos, more football pack opening videos. Pokemon pack opening videos, I should say. Yeah. Keep watching. Please like the videos. Subscribe and go ahead and comment if you feel like it. This is what we opened up. 2019 Panini score. I think these are blaster box. Yeah, something like that. Alright. Well, I'm out. Y'all have a lucky one and wish me luck.